Welcome back to our tutorial. We are required to find the value of x in this question from Olympiad. Okay, now to do this question, the first thing I do is to restructure the question. So I'll push this term to this side and I'll push this term to the same side. So I'll push everything here to this other side. Hence you're going to see that 0 is going to remain here and it's going to be equal to, if I cross s cubed over, I have positive s cubed. If I cross positive x squared over, I have negative x squared plus 12. Now, getting this is a polynomial. We have to look for a factor or a 0. A 0 is simply a number of substitutes for x. So if I say that x is equal to a number a, if I put a here, this will be equal to 0. That's why it's called a 0. And that number is negative 2. Because negative 2 cubed is 8. Negative 2 squared is 4. Sorry, negative 8 rather. Negative 2 squared is 4. And plus 12, you have 0. Okay? So we say negative 2 is a 0. So it means that x is equal to negative 2. Hence, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Alright? Meaning that x plus 2 is a factor. Alright? So we can now go from here and say that if we have this to be a 0, it means that x plus 2 is a factor. Just like this. Hence, we can now say that if we divide a number by its factor, we will get the remaining factor. Because if we have 6 and we divide it by the factor 3, we have 2. Alright? So we divide this number, which is this, by its factor, we'll get the remaining factor. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we have x plus 2. We'll use it to divide x cubed minus x squared plus 12. Just like this. Okay? Now, x into this is x squared. Okay? X squared times this is x cubed minus 2x squared. If we subtract, we have plus 2x squared. If you subtract, you have negative 3x squared. There is no term in x, so you can go ahead and just put 0x just to have something in x there. Now, 3x squared into x is same thing as 3x or minus 3x, so the negative sign. Minus 3x into x is minus 3x squared. Minus 3x into 2 is minus 6x. When you subtract, you have 6x. You can also go ahead to bring down this plus 12. Okay? 6x into x is 6x into x is 6. Okay? And this will give me 6x plus 12. When you subtract here, nothing is left. Hence, what can I conclude from here? I can now say that x plus 2 will multiply x squared minus 3x plus 6 to give me this number. Let's just call this number a. Okay, so let's say the number a. Now, the number a is the number, the equation, this polynomial we have here. Now, let's now check what are the, can we factorize this? The answer is no. Because if you do b squared minus 4ac, you have b is negative 3, so you have 9 minus 4 times this is 24. Okay, and this this is a negative number. You cannot be the square root of a negative number. Alright, because this is not possible, we strike out this. We're only left with that x is equal to negative 2, and this is the only solution to this question. Thanks for watching.